Hi guys, in front of me is HOTWAV W11 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First, open the settings, then find and select security, and here mark face and fingerprint unlock. At first you need to confirm your pattern. If you don't have one yet, you will have to create it. In my case, I will just provide the current one, and now mark fingerprint. Tap on more, and accept. And as you can see, fingerprint sensor is located on your power button, so all you have to do is to keep tapping on the power button till your fingerprint is fully added. Lift your finger up and then place it on the sensor till it's fully added. Tap on done, and that's it. As you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.